The first dog up in the 16-inch class is Rudy, the Bulldog, handled by Deborah Perkins from Ostanda, Ohio, and they will be running at a preferred height of 12 inches.
And Rudy's full name is Vaughn Rudolph Augustus Perkins. Deborah is wearing a mic.
Back out this way. Here.
Let's see if we can hear Deborah and Rudy breathing.
You hear me? Stay.
Rudy's got some great dental work.
Okay. Walk it.
Wow!
Tunnel.
Rudy's got some motoring skills.
Jump. Tunnel. Go back.
Oh!
Back.
Just an off
Get
course. 5 faults.
Go,
got
jump,
back on course.
Jump.
Don't worry about it. Hang in there.
Climb it.
Here we go.
Back.
Got that backside that time.
Go jump. Weave.
Here come these weave poles. Come on, nobody expected this out of a Bulldog tonight. Wow, that was awesome.
I agree with you. Nobody ever thought the Bulldog would come out the way that Rudy just did.
Oh, he came flying off that dog walk.
Good boy. Okay.
She releases him and he goes, let's go, let's play. Look at that. He was ready to go another 10 more feet in that tunnel there. Here, she was supposed to send him to the back. He went through her legs and over the jump in the wrong direction. But she got him back. It was just 5 faults. And Bully weaves here. I love that. Bully weaves, what do you think?
I think he's like, this is not my repertoire.
Look at that face. Oh, my. Rudy.
I was waiting for the crowd to chant that.
I know, they should have.